Excuse me, Bonnie? A lot of the material I read in the case books is confusing, and I often don't understand what the professor is talking about during class discussions. Did you have that problem when you were a first-year student, too?
Yes, Michael, the case book reading and in-class discussion were not cutting it for me until I discovered that the law library has lots of study aids available for free.
Free? Well, I like the sound of that. Just how will a study aid help me?
Michael, a study aid will cover the legal concepts in a particular area of the law. There will be references to court cases and sometimes to the restatements. Study aids may cover statutes or codes, such as the Uniform Commercial Code for contracts, or the Model Penal Code for criminal law and criminal procedure.
So, what are the restatements?
The restatements provide a restatement of the general principles, rules if you will, of the common law, from thousands of decided cases on various subjects including contracts, property, and torts. There are hypotheticals illustrating applications of the principles and rules. There will also be reporter's notes that provide background information on the development of the rule. There are also citations to court decisions, statutes, and secondary sources both in support of and contrary to the rule. You might read or hear the term black letter law in reference to the restatements.
I'm fascinated. Are all study aids the same?
No, not all study aids are created equal. As far as I know, the main ones that the law library has available are the Hornbooks and Nutshells published by West Thomson Reuters. They also have the LexisNexis Understanding series and the Aspen Publishers Examples and Explanations series of study aids.
Hornbook and Nutshell, that sounds a bit weird for study aids.
Well, lots of students use Hornbooks. They offer a lot of detail about an area of law. I have heard Nutshells referred to as Hornbook Light, as they covered just the basics. If I was completely clueless about a subject, I would read a Nutshell. If I had better than a basic understanding of that subject, then a Hornbook works for me.
Say, what about those other study aids? The Understanding series and the Examples and Explanations series, what's the deal with them?
The Understanding series is like a Hornbook, except it is by a different publisher, LexisNexis. What's great about the Examples and Explanations is that there is a discussion of a topic, and then examples with hypothetical problems for you to work through. The author explains the examples. The one for civil procedure by Glannon is the best.
Bonnie, you are certainly a fount of knowledge. Is there any other study aid you recommend? Maybe something on the web?
Yes. CALI, which stands for Computer Assisted Legal Instruction. Students enrolled in the law school can access the CALI tutorials for free on the web. There are over 800 tutorials. You must ask a librarian to provide you with a super-duper secret school authorization code to create your own login. Michael, I hope this information has helped. I must be off to class.
Yes, it has. Bonnie, thanks for all of your help. Hopefully, by using some study aids, I will be able to understand more about the subjects and improve my grades.
Make sure to check the library's web catalog or ask a librarian to find out about all of the available study aids. Goodbye.